is Disha here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we have our September favorites. So finally I'm doing my September favorites. I was meaning to do my favorites since a very long time. First I wanted to do my July favorites when I wanted to launch my channel, but due to a technical glitch I couldn't do that. And then I already said it in my US haul that I'll be doing an August favorite, which I didn't do due to a mental glitch. And now I'm gathering myself and doing my September favorites. So I'm super excited about this because this is my first favorites and I'm starting my favorite series. So I might not do like every month's favorite, but then if I gather up stuff that I have changed and I love and I can't live without, then I'll add it in my favorites for the months to come. For now, I'm doing my September favorites and I'm super excited because this is something that I was meaning to do since a very long time, and I finally got myself together to do this. And let's get started. So first up is all my beauty favorites that I have been loving all this month. I want to start with my perfume. This is one perfume that I have been using all September and I could not resist using this even for a day because this makes everything smell so beautiful. You feel like you're in this magical world, in this magical land. You're Cinderella suddenly. And which girl does not want to feel like that? I want to feel like that. So this is one perfume and it's my Versace, the new Versace that's come out. This is the Versace Bright Crystal Absolute, and this is one perfume that I have been living in from past 1 month. This so creates a magical moment around you, so I don't see myself not using it in October as well, but I'm just telling you that this has been my favorite from past a month. And yeah, next is my lipstick. Now this is one lipstick that I'm wearing right now and it has been my favorite because we are welcoming fall, and fall season is all about dark lips and browns and mauves and burgundies. So this is one color that I loved and I've been applying this continuously throughout September, and this is in the shade Verve A16 from MAC. This is one product that I have been applying continuously and I have already worn off. This is a very beautiful brown shade from MAC, and this is a very fall autumny shade. You know, this gives a really warm color to your face. I found out a dupe of this and that's the Maybelline Chestnut, Lasting Chestnut 045 from Maybelline. This is the Superstay 14-hour lipstick. This is also a very beautiful brown, a similar brown. So I will show you what the difference in the color is, and there's hardly any difference if you see. And the one that I've applied right now is the MAC A16 Verve, and I will show you what this looks like. So this is how the Maybelline 045 Lasting Chestnut looks like on me. Next is a nail paint that I have loved absolutely all this month, and I have applied, reapplied and reapplied it all through September. And this is one nail paint I have been complimented by people. For this nail paint I had to do a lot of work because I saw this somewhere on Facebook and I so wanted this color, and later on I ordered it from the site and they didn't have it, and after that I had to wait for like good 15 odd days to receive it, and once I did I was in love. So this is the shade 28 from the matte collection of Nykaa. I am so in love with this shade. I was into a lot of light shades or maybe a French manicure before this, but this shade is like the best pastel pink color that you will use, because if you're somebody who really likes pink tones on your nails, then this is something that you must buy. And this looks so pretty on your nails. It dries up completely matte, and that's it. Next we have our food favorites. So I'm a complete foodie. I'm a complete foodie. I'm a die-hard Punjabi when it comes to food. For a person like me, it is impossible or very difficult to maintain your body because I can do without air for once, but I cannot do without food. I crave for stuff, so I do snack a lot, and one of my favorites for this month has been the dots. So these are basically candies. So I don't know if I included this in my US haul. This is something that my relatives got from US, and I've been binging on this for the entire month, and you can see as to how much is left in the packet. And the only reason I left this was to show it to you guys that I've been eating this, because if there was nothing, then what have I been eating? So yes, this is something that I've loved, but now that this is over, I needed to find something that could replace this baby, and I happened to, because I just dropped one pebble. I happened to find this another dupe of this, which is the Frubbles. I don't know how you pronounce that, because they're like two B's in the center, so it's like fruit pebbles, so Frubbles from Mapro. And this is gluten free, no artificial color, no artificial preservatives, vegan, and zero trans fat, and enriched with vitamin C. So these are like candied fruits. I have already finished 2 packets of these, so I have bought this new packet to show it to you people, like what I have been binging on. So this is one of my favorite. This is by my side when I'm watching something on the TV or I'm watching a movie. I keep like sticking my hands into it and popping it in my mouth. So this is one. The last thing, there are too many candies because I have a sweet denture. So this is the last thing, and this is also a candy. Now that I realize that all my snacks have just been candies, and these are the sour punks. So if you're somebody who craves for that sour kick on their palate, then this is something you must try, because this is the new flavor that they've launched, is the spicy tamarind flavor. So for this, I used to love their green apple and their blackcurrant flavor, but after that I went to the store and they didn't have that, and they had this, so I was like, might as well give it a try, and I fell in love with it instantly, because it is not spicy. It does have that tinge of spice in it, but the tamarind, kills it. Your eyes and your palate is like, oh my god, I can't take this, but this is so yummy. I like finish one packet in one go. I can't like keep it for the next hour or for days to come, is nowhere in question. So this is one staple that I have been eating, and that's it. Next we have our shoes. So these are one shoes that you must have seen in my last days of summer lookbook, which I will link somewhere over, I don't know where, here or here. Yes, I'll link it somewhere. So these are the white shoes that everybody has been raving all over the Instagram or Facebook, or even the celebrities. They are living in white sneakers, and so did I. So these are my white sneakers. These are from I don't know. So I don't know where did I pick these sneakers up from. I guess they were from Westside, but I'm not too sure. Once I find out, I'll leave it in the link below. But a staple for me has been white sneakers. I have been living in white sneakers, and my fashion statement has been wearing white sneakers. I've been wearing white sneakers all through September, and I have loved it. And since they're really dirty, let's not keep it so close to my face, because I can actually smell the dirt. And this has been my one favorite. The next favorite is my favorite dessert. My favorite dessert has to be frozen yogurt. I can have frozen yogurt round the clock, in the morning, for lunch, for dinner, for every meal in the day. I love frozen yogurt, and the place that I go to is Menchie's, and I don't pick up a particular flavor for my frozen yogurt, because I love frozen yogurt in general. And the place that I go to is actually 21 kilometers away from my house, but I go there every day, every single day of the past month. I have been going there to have my favorite frozen yogurt. So this had to be a part of my September favorites, because I cannot do without my frozen yogurt. And I'll leave a picture right here for you to see what a beauty I have every day. And that's it. Next we have our favorite accessory. So my favorite accessory from last month has been undoubtedly my phone cover. I love this. And this I picked up from H&M in Delhi, and this is, you know, the goodies that they have while you are going towards the pay counter, the aisle that you have, and they have these small sections where you can like pick up your accessories. I saw this beauty there and I fell in love with it instantly. So this is that perfect matte marble print that is now everywhere over social media. So I am in love with this phone cover. I am planning to remove it right now because I've already spilled a bit of turmeric curry on it, and yeah, the foodie like I mentioned. So I did spill a bit of curry on this, and now it's got stained, which I cannot get rid of. So I will be removing this phone cover for it to be safe and for it to last with me for as long as I want. And that's it. Next I have my favorite songs. So this is one song I believe each one of you must be jamming on. This is the Closer from Chainsmokers. You know, we were like on this. So Closer by Chainsmokers has been my song. I listen to this song almost every 2 hours when I'm having a bath, when I'm having food, when I'm doing anything which has leisure attached to it. I am listening to this beautiful song. And the second song that I have been listening all through September that I've used particularly for my workout has been Ariana Grande's Side to Side. This is a song which has pushed me to work out. Maybe it's because of the video, or maybe I don't know what, but I have worked out. If I've gone for a run, or even if I've hit the gym, or if I'm working out at home, this is the song that has been playing on my phone on a loop continuously, because this, I don't know why, it just pushes me. It makes me go, you feel like nobody can do it. So this is something that I've been hearing to all September. Next we have my favorite fashion staples. This is a fashion staple that I have followed, and this has to be bomber jackets. Bomber jackets, bomber jackets, bomber jackets. I cannot stress enough how easy breezy and beautifully styled bomber jackets are. So you can like pair it up with jeans, skirts, pants, shorts. They're so versatile, and they have been a part of my life since a month, because it's already getting chilly here in Maharashtra, and the evenings are slightly chillier than the mornings. So I carry it in my bag, and through the day I just wear it in the evenings, and it helps you survive through the chills in the evening. For my favorite TV show, it has been this TV series which has been around the corner since a very long time, and it's been aired long ago, but I have gotten to see this right now since past a month. And this is the TV series which comes right after Friends. And Friends, I'm a die-hard Friends fan. I have been a die-hard Friends fan since forever. That's why I didn't feel like it would be appropriate to add it in my September favorites, because that is my lifetime favorites. And this serial comes just after Friends, so it's Mom. If you guys want to check out the serial, it is fun. It's not as good as Friends, but then it is addictive. It comes on Comedy Central at 9 p.m. Next we have, and the last thing we have, is my favorite quote. So this quote is the quote of the month, because I have been getting up every day and reading this at least once to like motivate me and to keep me charged up for the dreams that I want to pursue and to the things that I've always wanted in my life. And it just keeps me feeling that never lose hope and always keep heading towards what you want in life. And this quote that we get in our family groups, I believe we all have these family groups on WhatsApp that we keep getting texts on, but this is one thought which says, when you blame others, you give up your power for growth and change. So I firmly and entirely buy this and stand by this and believe this, because your power to do whatever is in your hands. Never ever give your remote control to somebody else. Never ever give the power in somebody else's hand to control your emotions, your fate and your destiny. So that's it guys, that's it for my favorites of September. This is all that I've loved from past 1 month, and I want to know what you guys loved from past 1 month, so leave all that in the comments below. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and stay tuned. For now, I love you. Bye.